A woman was taken into custody after a large sum of cash was seized in a lottery scam operation by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. One woman was arrested by members of the lottery scam task force supported by the Constabulary Financial Unit and members of the St. James Operational Support Team during an ongoing operation in St. James on Thursday. The lawmen seized 701,000 Jamaican dollars, 3,000 US dollars. A Mark X motor vehicle was also seized. The police are continuing the investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.